Hello everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to video call on Android without installing any app. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need any app to make video calls on your Android phone. All you need is the phone app that comes pre-installed on your device. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Launch the phone app on your Android smartphone. This is the app that you use to make regular voice calls. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Open the contact you want to call. You can either search for the contact by typing their name or number, or scroll through your contact list and tap on the one you want to call. Step 3. When using this feature for the first time, use the setup option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your video calling account. You will need to enter your phone number and verify it with a code that will be sent to you via SMS. This is a one-time process that will enable you to make video calls with anyone who has a compatible device and service. Step 4. After completing the setup, tap the video button to start the video call. The video button is located next to the call button at the bottom of the screen. You will see a preview of your camera and a message that says calling. Wait for the other person to answer the call and enjoy your video conversation. That's it. You have successfully made a video call on Android without app. You can use this feature to video call anyone who has an Android phone with the phone app and a supported carrier. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.